Welcome to Learn with Amine. In this video, we'll be talking about how to pay the property tax for Bastrop County. So if you are located in a Bastrop County in Texas, which is near Elgin or Bastrop, then you can follow this particular method. So for that, first of all, go to the website, which is www.bastroptax.com. So click on enter. This takes you to the Bastrop County Tax Assessor Collector, and this is Bastrop County in Texas. Now, under the property search tab, you need to enter your address. So let us assume that your address is Main Street. Okay, so basically you need to enter your house number, then after that you need to fundamentally enter the street name, and that takes you to your address. So once you have that address, let us assume that we are talking about the second one. Okay, for this there is some bill due. So let's take an example of this. So this is the property ID and this is the tax account number. You will have this tax account number and property ID constant throughout the ownership of your particular home. So you can take a note of it and use it for next year when you are paying property taxes. But if you do not remember this account number of property ID, you can enter the house number followed by the street number, and then you can verify your owner name over here. This must be either you or spouse or joint ownership. Whoever are the owners of your home will be mentioned over here, and this is the site address. So basically the full address of your home, which includes the house number followed by the street name, and this will be the assessment value. So click on that particular row for your property. So make sure that you have clicked the correct address. So when you mention your address, so that would specifically give you only one record, which is your address, so it will be easier. But I'm just taking an example. So there were several rows. When you are taking or selecting from the several rows, you need to be careful that you select the correct row, which is corresponding to your home address and your property tax bill. So once that is confirmed, you can verify the different taxing entities and the amount of balance that they have charged, and this is the total amount of the property tax that is levied on your property based on the assessment price that the tax county has communicated to you the past year. Usually the property tax bill comes around August to September, and or sometimes in October to November as well. And remember that the deadline to pay the property taxes to the tax county is January 30 in the next year. So currently this year is 2025. It is January 11 when I'm recording this video. The deadline for the property tax is January 30 of 2025 for the year of 2024. So the property tax bill of 2024 is being mentioned over here as 2,859, and that is the total due amount. And this particular Prosperity Bank owner has not paid this because the deadline is still in the future, which is January 30. So once you are ready to pay this particular amount, you need to click on Pay My Bills. Now, so far the Bastrop Tax County does not have the auto pay option. When it has an auto pay option, you could set it in future, and no need to come back to the website every year. But since there is no auto pay, you need to come and follow the video for the process and pay your bills every year, at least by the January 30 of that particular year. So click on Pay My Bills, and this is showing you the payment amount, and it is also talking about any transaction fees. Please remember that the transaction fees, if you use credit card, will be astronomical, but if you use check-in account or savings account using the option of ACH, then the transaction fee would be very low. So click on continue. After that, as I have mentioned, it is asking for the method of payment. This is the property ID or the tax account number or the property address. It is basically a property ID, and this is the total amount. And now if you click on credit card, it is charging a whopping processing fee of $71. But if you select the option of e-check, it is reduced to a meager $2.5. So you can always check the option of e-check. So then you need to select the account type, whether it is checking account or the savings account. You can use either of them. After that, you need to enter your account number over here. This is corresponding to the bank account number, and then you need to verify your account number, enter the same account number, and this would be the routing number, and the same routing number needs to be entered over here. And then you need to enter the name on the account. So basically it is talking about the owner name. Whoever account number is this, you need to basically enter that owner name. So Prosperity Bank in this case. Okay, then you need to enter your address. Where are you located? Are you located in US or foreign? And if you are located within US, you can enter your house number followed by the street name. Then you can mention the city, then you can mention the state, then you can mention the zip code. This is the information that you need to enter. Then click on continue. This takes you to the confirmation page where it asks you to verify the account number, routing number, and the name on the account. And then you need to click on process payment, and once that is done, you will be presented with a receipt of the property tax payment. You need to click on Control P on the keyboard and save that particular tax receipt as a PDF document for future reference. So this is about the payment of the property tax for the Bastrop County in Texas. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Happy New Year and bye-bye.